and welcome to the another session on creating the charts in Tableau. I am Mrs. Kanchan Khedikar, working as an assistant professor in computer science and engineering. In my previous video, we have learned about the various charting methods, or we can say that the charting systems. So there are two types of charting system, Cartesian coordinate system and polar coordinate system. We know that Cartesian coordinate system is built by using the bar charts, line charts and the scatter plot, whereas the polar coordinate system is used to build pie charts. Now in this video, we will see how to create the bar charts, that is Cartesian coordinate system. So let us start with the learning outcomes. At the end of this session, student will be able to create various bar charts in Tableau. Now let us start with the features of bar chart. Now bar chart is a pictorial representation of a group data. It is one of the way of data handling. A typical bar chart has a label or a title, x-axis, y-axis, scales or increment for the axis, and also bars. Some charts may also have a legend that specifies which various color represent, such as in a stack bar chart. So stack bar chart is one of the type of bar chart. We will see this stack bar chart in this session only. Bar charts are ideal for comparing two or more values or values over the time. Data is displayed either horizontally or vertically. So depending on the representation of data, there are again two types of bar chart, that is the horizontal and the vertical bar chart. Now let us see how to create the bar charts in Tableau. Now look at this. This is the Tableau front page. Now here I have taken the Superstore data set to draw the bar charts. Look at here, on the left hand side, the table contains the various columns and these are the dimensions of this table, whereas these are the measures. So as I said, the dimensions are the categorical value. So here dimension starts from category to subcategory, whereas the measures are the numerical value. So here we can see how to create a bar chart or how to create a total cells according to the regions or according to the category. So for this I will put this category into the row and here the categories are appeared. There are three categories: furniture, office supplier and technology. Now the values are not shown here yet because I have not labeled this category. So before labeling to this category, I will take the cells here in the row. So look at here, where is cells? Now this is the cells data according to the category. So I will bring this cell into the column. Now once I bring this cell into the column, it gives me a horizontal bar chart. Now look at here, horizontal bar chart, but something is missing here. Now the values are not shown on the bars. So I will just go to this tab, that is standard, and I will just click on the entire view. So it is look like this. So this is the entire view of category versus cell. So cells are given from $0,000 to the $8,000. Now and these are these three categories. So three categories are shown here. Now if I want to know the how much cell of each category, I will just put the cell into a label. So look at here, I will click on label and I will just enable this show mark label. So once I click it, the labels are shown here. So what are these labels? Here the furniture sales, total sales of the furniture is $742,000, whereas the office supplier sales is $719,000 and the maximum sell for the technology is what? $836,000. So in this way we can draw the bar chart. So this is the horizontal bar chart. Now let us see this bar chart. So, this is the category, the bar chart which shows the category. Now, there is one more field, that is subcategory. If I want to check the cells, total cells according to subcategory, I will bring this subcategory and put it just next to the category. So, look at here, along with category there is a subcategory. So, in furniture there are total 4 subcategories. Then in office supplier there are maximum subcategories, and in technologies there are also 4 subcategories. So, this graph or this bar chart shows the cells according to the category as well as subcategory. But if I want to check the maximum cell of a product, then how I will see, or how I will show according to the, or in the Tableau. So, look at here, there are 2 icons. The one is for the descending order and one is for the ascending order. Okay. So, once I will click on the descending order, that means suppose I will take the category and I will just click here in the descending order. So, this bar chart gives me the technology, the category and the subcategory wise data. So, according to the technology, here the maximum cell is of what? One subcategory, that is papers. Okay. So, in this way we can sort our data and we can see the maximum as well as the minimum cells of the category and the subcategory. If I put it on the cells and if I click on descending order, so look at here, according to the category it gives me the maximum cell as well as the minimum cell. Look at here, in the furniture section there is a maximum cell and here this having the minimum cell. So, this chart gives me a nice presentation of cells against the category and subcategory. Now, after this, look at the types of bar chart. Now, there are various types of bar charts, but in this lecture I will focus on 4 types of bar charts: vertical bar chart, horizontal bar chart, stack bar chart which is also known as composite bar chart, then group bar chart which is also known as side by side bar chart. Now, let me take the new sheet to show the vertical bar chart. Okay. So, to show the cells or the region wise, so I will take here the region in the column and the cells in the cells, that is what are numerical value, or we can say that the measure. So, cells in the row. Now, look at here, we have got vertical bar chart because here the vertical bars are there. So, the region on x axis there are 4 regions: central, east, south and west, and on y axis there is a cell which is ranging from 0,000 to $7,000. Okay. So, look at this bar chart, but here this bar chart does not show any value. So, to give a value or to give a label to each and every bar, I will just click on label and I will just enable the show mark label. Now, just look at here, it just gives the total cells for each region. Okay. So, it gives us a horizontal bar chart. Now, to make a this is a vertical bar chart. Now, to make it horizontal, we do not need to take anything. Now, here just adjacent to ascending order, there is one more icon which shows the swap, means swapping the row and columns. So, look at here. So, once I click on this, here the cells goes into the column and the region goes into the row. Okay. So, if I will click that, it will give me immediately a horizontal bar chart. Okay. So, this is the another type of bar chart. Now, let us see the third type of bar chart, that is the stack bar chart. So, stack bar chart give the additional dimension in the table. Okay, the additional dimension in the chart. So, let me take the new sheet here. So, to draw a stack bar chart, I will take a region into a column. I will take a region into a column. Look at here, where is the region? Region into a column and cells into row. Sorry. The cells into row. Okay. And finally, I will take the category into color. So, where is my category? So, the category is here. So, I will just put the category into color. Now, look at here. Here the stack bar chart is generated. So, stack bar chart means what? This bar is divided into the number of categories. So, there are 3 types of category. When I click here, this is the furniture category in the central region and whose cell is given over here. This is what? Office supplier category, and this one is what? The technology category. So, here the legends are given. So, as I said, the bar chart also shows the legend here which shows the color for a particular category. Now, once I click on the label, now it gives me a total cells on the stack. Okay. So, I will just make an entire view so that it will more clear. So, the region versus cell. So, this is a stack bar chart. Now, if I want to draw a group bar chart, so let me take one more category, let me take one more thing into a this table. Let convert this stack bar chart into a group chart. So, in this region I will take the column and I will take the category also here. So, if I put the category just next to the region, let us see what happen. Yes, there are different regions on x-axis, region central, east, south and west, and look at here 3 categories are shown here, that is furniture, office supply and technology. So, for this central region there are 3 categories shown and the cells of each and every category. So, here in this central region the cells of every category is almost same, approximately same. Now, in the east region, then south region and the west region. So, these are known as group bar chart, that is also known as side by side bar chart, because these side by side bars are developed over here. Okay. So, this is all the so these are all the 4 types of bar charts. Now, pause a video and just draw a vertical bar chart to show the cells, profit and losses against the category, segment and region. Okay. So, here you have to draw the bar chart for vertical bar chart for the cells, profit and losses for what? For the category, segment and region, and from that you have to find out or identify in which region and in which category the losses are occur. So, I will go back to this Tableau. Now, look at here. To draw this, what I just need to drag a category into a column, then the segment into a column. Where is my segment? This segment into a column and the region into a column. Sorry, segment next to the category and the region next to the segment. Okay. Now, just drag the cells and profit, drag the cell and just bring it over here in the rows and profit just next to the cell. So, what it will give me? Now, look at here, this bar chart having a 2 parts. The first one is sales part and the another one is the profit part. Okay. So, it shows me sales and the profit according to the category, segment and region. Now, look at here, I will just put the cells, in a color. So, this gives me a colored bar chart. Okay. Now, look at here, find out the losses. What was our question? Find out the losses. So, look at here, this portion just about the 0,000K means $10,000 and $20,000, it shows the profit, whereas look at here, it shows the losses. That means the profit is in a minus, in a negative term. So this is the losses. One more loss is here. So look at here, where in which region we have the losses? In the central region. Look at here, in the furniture category, in the central region, in this central region, so the losses are occur here. So let's see the answer of this question, that is the furniture and the central region. So in this session we have studied how to create bar charts using Tableau. These are the references.